Why does society judge men who look feminine?
Your society, man, me feel be cultural expectation of manhood.
If I me true and true. It's only man bomb puni and new common was I do see Casa no sit yama squanny adeno, uboza or your banner. But the moment I make a sound, Ben knows Sawaye,
Son and
or your bear match.
I want to analyze this situation for the guys.
Yes. Oh, no, let me Jimmy one on cards. See, now, oh, share the partner. About better can now, obey your number now.
What is there? You took massive bone. Never now. One who will be good.
Because I told man one trouble.
The original one, why I say, could you be here? No, I saw a co washroom. Now, Mamma soon own some money. To Frank, oh, no, could you now? Wash one now, or Johnson. Not yet, Percy, who said, Percy was why I say.
Nana Ama McBrown. A lot of people used to call me different kind of names. MiPROMO no bomadi amebo. But as you keep on fighting, they will keep on.
You make the situation worse, exactly.
Make the situation worse. So as I'm growing up, I decided to stop beating them. They should do whatever they want to do, and I also do whatever I want to do. Because if God don't love you, God will not give you such a life. Because you are blessed.